Investing in the stock market can be an exciting journey towards financial independence and wealth building. While it may seem intimidating for beginners, understanding the fundamentals of stock investing can help you make informed decisions and embark on a path towards long-term financial success. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps and strategies for investing in stocks as a beginner. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Understanding stocks and the stock market. The stock market is often regarded as a fascinating and dynamic platform for wealth creation and financial growth. At the core of the stock market lies the concept of stocks, which represent ownership in a company. For beginners looking to venture into the world of investing, understanding stocks and the workings of the stock market is crucial. What are stocks? Stocks, also known as shares or equities, are units of ownership in a publicly traded company. When you buy stocks, you essentially become a partial owner of the company, entitled to a portion of its profits and assets. Companies issue stocks to raise capital for various purposes, such as expanding operations, funding research and development, or paying off debts. Types of stocks. Common stocks. Common stocks are the most prevalent type of stock. They offer voting rights at shareholders' meetings and the opportunity to receive dividends, which are a share of the company's profits distributed to shareholders. Preferred stocks. Preferred stocks come with a fixed dividend rate and are paid out before common shareholders receive their dividends. Although preferred shareholders do not have voting rights, they have a higher claim on the company's assets in the event of bankruptcy. How the stock market works. The stock market is where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. It serves as a primary platform for companies to raise capital by issuing stocks and for investors to buy and sell these stocks. The stock market operates through stock exchange, which facilitate the buying and selling of stocks. Some of the well-known stock exchanges, including the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange, and Tokyo Stock Exchange. Educating yourself about the stock exchange. Knowledge about the stock exchange empowers investors to make informed decisions based on research and analysis rather than mere speculation. Understanding market trends, company fundamentals, and economic indicators can help you assess the risk and potential rewards of an investment. Education acts as a shield against impulsive and uninformed decisions that can lead to significant losses. By understanding different investment strategies and risk management techniques, you can minimize exposure to potential risks. The stock market presents numerous investment opportunities. By educating yourself, you can identify undervalued assets, emerging industries, and potential growth stocks to capitalize on promising opportunities. There is a plethora of books written by renowned investors and financial experts that delve into stock market principles, investing strategies, and successful case studies. Look for titles such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. Stay updated with the latest market trends and financial news by following reputable news outlets like Bloomberg, CNBC, or the Wall Street Journal. These sources provide insights into economic indicators, company announcements, and global market developments. Start with index funds or ETFs. For beginners, a smart way to enter the stock market is through index funds or exchange-traded funds. What are index funds and ETFs? Index funds and ETFs pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks that track a specific market index like the S&P 500. Benefits of index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs offer several benefits, making them popular investment options for both beginners and seasoned investors. One of the most significant benefits of index funds and ETFs is instant diversification. These funds hold a basket of different securities such as stocks or bonds that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. By investing in a single index fund or ETF, you gain exposure to a wide range of companies or assets. Index funds and ETFs are passively managed, meaning they aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index rather than actively picking and choosing investments. As a result, They tend to have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Lower expenses mean more of your investment returns stay in your pocket rather than being eaten by up fees. Due to their passive nature, index funds and ETFs tend to have lower turnover compared to actively managed funds. Lower turnover means fewer taxable events, leading to potential tax savings for investors, especially in taxable accounts. Many index funds and ETFs automatically rebalance their portfolios periodically to maintain the desired asset allocation. This rebalancing helps investors stay on track with their investment goals and ensures the portfolio remains aligned with their risk tolerance and time horizon. ETFs, in particular, offer excellent liquidity. They are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks, allowing investors to buy and sell shares throughout the trading day at market prices. This flexibility provides investors with the ability to adjust their positions quickly and efficiently, unlike traditional mutual funds that trade at the end of the day. Building an investment strategy. The first step in building an investment strategy is to define your financial goals. Ask yourself what you aim to achieve through stock market investments. Are you looking for long-term growth or retirement planning, or do you have short-term financial objectives? Understanding your goals will help you determine the appropriate level of risk and the investment horizon that aligns with your aspirations. Risk management. The saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket" holds true in the world of investing. Diversification is a risk management technique that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. By diversifying your portfolio, you reduce the impact of a single investment's poor performance on your overall wealth. Allocate your assets wisely. Asset allocation refers to the process of distributing your investment funds across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. The allocation depends on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. Generally, younger investors with a longer investment horizon may have a higher allocation to stocks, while those closer to retirement may have a more conservative allocation. Investing in stocks requires patience and discipline. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid trying to time the market. Successful investing often involves holding on to quality investments for the long term and riding out market volatility.